Did you know frogs almost never drink water with their mouths? Instead, they drink through their skin. A frog's skin is highly permeable, meaning it can absorb water directly from its environment. They have a special drinking patch on their bellies and the underside of their legs. By sitting in a puddle or even just on damp ground, a frog can absorb all the moisture it needs to stay hydrated. This is also why they are so sensitive to pollution, as toxins can be absorbed just as easily. If that's a fact you can absorb, splash that like button and subscribe.